Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing very beautiful hand embroidered cats face masks. Very cute, funky, stylish and at the same time very attractive and modern to have. All of these masks are from soft, lightweight and comfortable, breathable. They are reusable, washable and they are easy to wear throughout your whole days. And next part of our video contains very beautiful hand embroidered Christmas masks. All of these masks are handmade and with a very beautiful and easy hand embroidery patterns on different colors like green, maroon, red, white, black, the basic theme colors of Christmas. If you want to get more trendy, stylish and amazing ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, footwear, bags, ribbon embroidery, hand embroidery, mirror work, gota work, baby dress designing, home decor and much more, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads. Thank you so much.